Hey, you get away. Hey, you get away. Hey, get away. Get away. What is to the cinema? Charlie, there we go. Hot Sprite. Kelly. This is Kelly. What's Kelly? Check out. We got bananas. It's a good YouTube. What? You get it? I see. Wow, yeah, I'll take a good Sammy. What? You can do it. And that's a good square to the Hiccups. This is a good carry. Wait, Hiccup? What did you give the chat? What? You're talking with the chicken wicket. We got one chicken with you. Look at the say. Oh, did you chicken watch you the topic? Yeah, I got time with it. I can take it. This thing. Yeah, you want to. Oh, sorry. You can watch it. Yeah. I do just say. What are you talking? We get to see whether it's like. Wow. What yet? I don't think. You can eat. Wait, what? What's else? What's else? Why you get it? What are they doing? Go on. It is. Whoa, no. It is no. This one. Oh, wait.
What the heck was that?
Seriously, I heard that in the other. Oh my god!
That was Kiwi. He had the hippos.
Hiccups! He had the hiccups, you idiot!
What? Oh man, that's scary.
What are you talking about?
You've never heard about what happens when a fruit gets the hiccups?
No.
First, they hiccup. Then they
explode!
That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever hiccup. Uh-oh.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, we got an orange with a case of the hiccups here.
Please say again?
I said we have an orange with the hiccups.
Oh no, you're screwed!
Alright, I'm out of ideas.
Oh.
Look, everybody, the important thing right now is to just remain calm.
Hiccup.
No. Everybody just shut up. We're not going to freak out.
That's easy for you to say. You don't have an exploding hippo in your tummy.
Dude, it's not a hippo.
It's an exploding hippo.
Listen to me, Orange. Do you want to get rid of your hiccups?
Duh.
Then you have to do exactly what I tell you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, it's really simple. All you have to do is take a deep breath and hold it for 30 seconds.
Okay.
What? No, that never works. I always heard you had to stand on your head and cross your eyes.
I'm going to show you what two cats do. You do the trust and eyes. Wait, hold a second. To your get it. You get it. Second. We're gonna get a second. We can not just now we keep it. How did it show you? So go, we can tell the last one. You get us tires. That's why. That's what I think. That's why. Terry, got a lot of it. The natural going to it. And wow, you can see we get you. You will never see. You will never see. You will never see. You will never see. You get so much to smart to distraction. I call you to the chances of to nuts. Yeah, baby. Why you do you get out? You just stars. Yes. Orange. Together, we go orange. Just I go a little Slavic. Wow, yeah, you. This is a welcome. Let's say you. We get this is going to trust get tag instead. What did you go? The God of the society get a ticket and now she go. Access question is the choose an hour too. So we go. Yeah, that is why you say that's why this is just a way to make you. That is why you go and take it. I see she's a good. Orange? TV?
Yeah, his hiccups! They're gone!
Yay! Oh no!
Well, I'm sorry, guys. I saw we get a chance to get on the CV hole. Orange, just not the fault. What can we get one? With the kidney. What the kidney is a good just get to that choose the best two seasons for sports ever. I get you can get a sketch one to the solution. You just saw it. You can get the chance. You kill it. Wow, that is look at that time second. Well, it's a canvas. You can't take a chance to go to water check at the soldier. Well, you can't do it. Huh, the Chelsea. Oh, well. We got it to solve him. Oh, I get it just going a little too long. Well, you got it. It's you real. It's a great trust to trust you. What it? Get him. Hey Orange, I want you to Hiccups. I wanted to unanimous and then it's so very myself. But where were the stories along 2 points? Orange the squid.
What was that?
I don't know.
It just like you well out, huh?
Whoa, that guy doesn't monkey around.
How did that thing get in here?
Poor boomerangs. I don't think they'll come back from that one.
Okay, we get it. Enough.
I wonder why they didn't give him the slip.
Oh my god. Orange! Your hiccups!
What about him?
They're gone!
Wow, Gorilla must have scared him away.
Yay!
Yay! Woohoo!
Now that's what I call a close hiccup. Ah, crap.
Sounds like a hungry hippo.
Alright, guys.
I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. He started laughing.
Can't help it. It sounds so funny when you hiccup.
From the top. Here we go.
Action.
It's hiccup. No.